boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, my author, researcher, I put it in black and white for you, so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. What is going on out there, guys? It's a great day in the desert Southwest. Not only is it hot in my area, but it's probably hot in your area too if you're in China. We'll talk about that here in a second, my friends. We're going to talk about a little uranium here, a little lithium, and I'm going to give you a cannabis note. How about that, guys? It's been really, really tough a little bit today. It's one of those off days where, 3 to 6% or so down. What was once resistance, let's see if it's support now, that 48-day, if we can hit that and bounce off that 13-day or that 48-day that we talked about. As you can recall, if you didn't see the video, penny stocks showing buy signals now, or uranium stocks showing buy signals now, a couple videos ago, take a look at that one and you'll get an idea of what exactly what I'm talking about here. But we are going down and retesting those areas that we broke through at the end of July. I told you it was going to be a short-term to mid-term buy signal. And those signals right now are coming back down. And like one of our subscribers, who's that, Gene Paul, said that that resistance is now going to be support. And I think you're right on the money there. That's you got it. Trading 101, guy. Trading 101. So it's all good, all good. What's going on? Inflation Reduction Bill, you know, that has passed. That's going to be good for our industry. UEC merger with UEX is complete. They've got that company now. Some great assets there. They're going to be a leader. Those assets have some great grades to them. We will see what our baby knockout UEC does in the long run. It's a little down there. It's testing that 48-day moving average. We'll see if it bounces off. If we'll see, they're together. Most of them are together, and we'll see if they bounce off. We'll see how that happens. Bottom line, guys, is we're going to need, as you, ladies and gentlemen, know, we're going to need more mines out there. We're going to need more production of uranium. As countries and countries get on board, we've got all these restarts coming in Japan. Things are going to be happening all over the world, guys. It's just not all over. We're looking to go, clean energy with uranium leading the way. It looks like the governments now, with what the about face done by Germany. And you remember when Germany banned my book a couple years ago, we knew something was going on with Germany. Germany was trying to wipe uranium out of the, nuclear energy out of the picture. Well, they can't. They see they need it. And it really didn't take this war and it didn't take Putin to cut them off, the natural gas off, to know that they needed it. It just took a little sense by the government. And common sense has stolen the show over in Germany, and we are glad of that. But now there are rules and regulations in my country, so I'm not talking about anybody else's country, the United States of America. Also Canada, Australia, we got some of those same rules and regulations that are going to leave us dead in the water there for a little while until we can get some of that stuff panned out, my friends. But parts of the world will be able to get things on board. Our African uranium super trade is going to do exceptionally well. They'll be able to build mines, open mines, do restarts in just, not even a quarter, a 16th of an eighth of the time that it'll take other countries to do it. Because, guys, you're talking, let's face it, these United States, Canada, it takes these things a long time, 10, 12, 15, 20 years. Whereas in Africa, some of our African uranium super trade stocks will be online here in the next 2 years. I bet they will be. They'll be in the next 2 years. I believe they will be in production. Mark my word on that. Come back to this video and you'll see that Mickey D and the Scoop were right on the money. We're going to say the African producers, former producers that will be restarting. They'll be getting money to start mines. They'll be doing it a lot faster than some of the other areas of the world, put it that way. Guys, let's just segue over to lithium. Lithium right now is hot. You guys know what's going on. You know the EV revolution is just taking over. It's doing things that are unheard of. Well, where are all the batteries? Where's all the lithium at? A lot of it's centralized over in China. China's like, 90%, 95% of the parts and everything, the rare earth parts come from China. You guys, we all know that. Now, power rationing has hit China, guys. Battery material sector is tightening up. Lithium supply is tightening up, guys. They've had drought. They've had hot temperatures over 100 degrees in China, and that's not really a common thing there. But that's what's going on right now. So we anticipate a tight market when it comes to lithium, guys. So hold on to your lithium penny stocks. And I know a lot of you guys, I can't name you all, but I just know, people like Mark, AJ, Shalom, Pamela, Paul, Reginald, Jay Haas, George, Mark, Sam, Frank, Seek the Truth, Peter, a lot of you guys, D-Money, speaking of D-Money, programming note, D-Money I may hook up with D-Money tomorrow, Thursday, at Raiders Camp. He's supposed to be over at, and we'll see. If I come live, I'm with D-Money at Raiders Camp. We'll see how that goes. Maybe it'll pan out. Maybe it won't. Guys, we'll see. But a lot of you guys are having fun with this, and that's what the scoop is all about. The scoop is about having fun and making money for those vacations. Now, some of you become millionaires. Some of you zillionaires. You got more money than the law allows buying some of these stocks, which is great. That's fantastic. PayPal is open. Okay? PayPal is open. There should be a link, right? I'll leave a link for you guys. And you can just do a little donation. Just help the cause out. Help the cause out. Because we don't get it. This is YouTube? Pay? I don't know. Some people are saying they're getting all this money. We won't talk about that. But anyway, I did say I was going to have a MJ, a cannabis, a marijuana note for you guys. And I will have it for you. Yesterday, I attended a Clark County Board of Commissioners meeting in Las Vegas. Now, they were talking about the licenses for the cannabis consumption lounges. Mark my word, guys. Cannabis consumption lounges, ladies and gentlemen, will be big in Las Vegas. Because you can buy the product and you have nowhere to use it, and the hotels don't want you using it in the hotels. They don't want you using it on the strip. You can't walk around using it and all that kind of good stuff. So consumption lounges will be big. I'm gonna tell you, yeah, sure, they've tabled it, they've put things down. There were some concerns of county commissioner board members, some of the smells, closeness to the schools. They're all working all that out, guys. It is a time of getting this stuff together and getting these bills and getting this stuff passed, guys. The time for bickering and all that is over. The people are speaking. Inflation reduction bill, it's going to help somebody. Now, it was passed, so it's going to help somebody. If it helps less people, then, if your health care is going to be less, your medication is going to be less. Guys, believe me when I tell you, people are not going to go out and campaign. I'm talking about politicians. They're not going to go out and campaign and say, I voted against you getting lower drug prices. The drug prices are too low. I wanted them higher. No, they're going to say, we passed that because we did it as a group. Because remember, guys, the last guy on the bench on that winning team that won the Super Bowl, that won the NBA championship, that won the baseball championship, won the football championship, any of those teams, the last guy on the bench, they get a ring also. They're champions also. So just because one side voted for this, the one side did that, don't worry about it. Everybody is going to take, you guys know what side of the bread Joe Butter is on. So let's roll with it, man. And let's do it, guys. It's Clark County, the county will get it together. The state will get it together. Nevada will be a leader in this cannabis consumption lounge area. Believe me, the world will follow after an area like Las Vegas gets its stuff together. Then the world's going to follow. Believe me, when it comes to licensing of these cannabis consumption lounges, it's not something they need to get right. It's something they have to get right. That's my say on it, guys. Love you. God bless you guys. I'll leave some links for you. Also, I'll leave a link for PayPal. I'll also leave a link for some of the books. And look forward to seeing you here. If I don't see you tomorrow at the Raiders camp, I'll see you definitely next week. At the weekend, guys. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.